Hi YouTubers, I've just resized my oven so that it's almost 30 by 30 centimeters. I'm just starting it now. I've got a couple of cups of pellets there, fire starter on top, and a couple bits of kindling. So the kindling is just to help get the pellets alight, and once the pellets are alight, I can put some of my slightly damp wood in there, I hope. See how it goes. Maybe I can show the size of the pizza stone. So that's the size of the pizza stone at the moment. There is a brick sitting on top of an edge. The crack's still there, but I've got it now supported by an aluminium baking sheet. So heat comes up from the top there, goes out the chimney, and underneath this is a blind oven, I think. Let's hope so. We're about 10 minutes into the burn, and what I did was I stacked pieces around it, forming a tunnel. So the bit of kindling and pellets, I've got stacks of almost dry wood around the three sides, two sides and top, to form a little feed tube, as it were, inside the burn chamber. So 10 minutes, we've got a little bit of flame coming out. Not much, but something. And got a little bit of smoke, so I guess that, I'm not sure if there's smoke there or not. Can't see properly. But I guess that's the consequence of stacking too much wood in. Anyway, we'll see. It's only 10 minutes. 20 minutes into the burn. Looks pretty exuberant. I decided to put some dry firewood in rather than the semi-wet stuff I was using. Trouble is, it's smoking a little bit still, sadly. Wow. Bulls, horns, vortex, double vortex. But even then it's smoking. I think we're about 40 minutes into the burn. Even though there's quite an exuberant fire, we're still getting a little bit of smoke coming out. And I think this demonstrates that even with all these ram's horns, vortices, you can still smoke. Well, I just put the pizza on, so we'll give it, I think it says 10 minutes on the packet. See how it goes. So probably, no, I couldn't got the whole one in. But at least it's a step up. Half. No, I think I made a mistake. I think I should have put the exit fumes under the pizza plate rather than on top. Oh well, let's see how it goes. The reason I think I made a mistake, and that the flames or gases should go under the pizza stone and rather than above, is that soot is being deposited at the beginning of the burn onto the pizza stone, and so it dirties it. So I'd rather have a dead end oven at the top like I originally did, and the gas is underneath. It's smoking a bit because I put a slightly damp bit of wood in, take advantage of the intense heat I'm getting inside the burn chamber. So this was at 12 minutes. The cheese is melted. And we have a crispy base. So I think we're going to count this as a success.